What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a solar animal repellent. This one is the one that if you haven't seen on Amazon, it's where the eyes glow and it's solar. That's another plus for us. We don't have to waste batteries. It says weatherproof, flashlight, solar power, and this product is from X-Pest, and we have reviewed X-Pest products on here, which is the bee trap, which works. Somebody tried to say, oh, the bee trap don't work, the fly trap don't work. It works, okay? I posted on my TikTok and people love it. I need to start getting more into the YouTube shorts, so whatever I post on TikTok I could put on YouTube shorts, or vice versa. Whatever I put on YouTube shorts I could put on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff. But anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I am losing sunlight right now. I won't see no effectiveness into this for now. But these look these look cool. Look like some little cartoon character things. Take it out, and just like I told you, it looked like some cartoon character faces. Take the solar off. Let me see if I cover the solar, will it come on? Oh, this has an on and off to it too, so I don't know if it's on. It looked like the light comes on. Let me see. Oh, you gotta push it in. So there you go, I pushed it in. All right, you guys, so it says the unit will turn on at dusk and off at dawn automatically when it's working. So with that being said, it should turn on and off by itself. What we're gonna do is put it out. Now, I haven't left it out in the sun for a full day yet, so y'all give me about like maybe one more day to give it a good review so y'all can know how long it lasts at least. So right now it is still off, and now I got it on. It is still daylight out here, you guys. I still have a little bit of sun, so put my hands on it and y'all see that it works. So right now I'm just gonna find some spots to put it in and show y'all what it looks like for tonight, and then stay tuned so y'all can know how long it lasts. All right, you guys, if y'all about to leave the video now, then I'll catch y'all in the next review. If not, stay tuned so I can let y'all know how long this product lasts during the night. All right, you guys, it is 8 o'clock and we have the lights out. So this is right out the box. I'll let y'all know how long the charge is out the box, and then if you stick around, I'll let you know how long the charge is when it's fully charged with the sun. But that's about it. That's all we getting, off and on. And that's it, you guys. It's not too much to this. Do it scare the pets? I don't know. Only time will tell with that review. Okay, everyone, so it is 3 o'clock in the morning and the lights are still going off. Okay, you guys, I am surprised. It is 5:30 a.m. and the lights are still going off. That's impressive. The lights go off and it actually looks like security lights or something like that. So when I get to the final review, I'll let y'all know when it actually turns off, and that will be it. All right, everyone, it is 6:30. Oh, look, Hawk up there. I don't have the long distance lens on. Well, he's up there. So it is 6:30 a.m. Oh, flying towards. Oh, now y'all can see him. Oh, y'all probably still can't see him, but anyways, so we have the repellent still out here, and this stuff coming straight out of the box. It lasts all night, so the power of the sun will definitely keep these things on for a long time. Now, how long does it last? I do not know, but I am ready to finalize this review.